Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are doing this month's Glossybox unboxing. As you can see, this box is so different from all the other ones that we actually get, which are, you know, the usual pink ones. I mean, and the finish is glossy. Like we usually get like a matte one, but this one is glossy. It looks gorgeous, doesn't it? So anyway, if you wanna see what I got inside this month's Glossybox, then just keep on watching. Okay, so when we open up the box, we get a beautiful little bow tie, and we get a card with all the products. And let's open that up and see what we got. The first thing that we got is the seawater hairspray from SENHOR do BONFIM. I am not sure how to pronounce this company, but this is how the product looks. It's a seawater hairspray. Like, I don't really use, like, you know, hairsprays because my hair is dry anyway, and as you know, salt does dry your hair out, so I don't think that's a good start for this month's Glossybox. And the next thing that we have is the 5-in-1 Wonder Lash Mascara, the one from ORIFLAME. So this is how the product looks. Apparently I've heard somewhere that this is a very, very popular mascara, and actually is very, very good. So I really want to try this out. You know, I love mascaras. Today I'm wearing falsies, but I usually don't, so it's good to have, you know, another thing to try. And the next thing that I have is the EYEKO. This is where I draw the line. I do liquid liner. I think I have 3 of those EYEKO liquid liners. I think I got them in one of my Look Fantastic box. I got them in one of my other glossy boxes, my Birch boxes. I mean, I don't know what EYEKO is doing, but it's everywhere. So it is waterproof, so I would love to give this a try. So yeah, that's cool. And the next thing that we have is the Palmer's Coconut Oil Conditioning Shampoo for dry, damaged or color treated hair. It has no sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates, no mineral oil, no gluten and no dyes. So this is how the product looks. Handy size again. I'm not gonna say again that I'm going traveling, so this will be useful, but you know, it will be. So yeah, cool. I love to try this out. Next up, we have the Regenerate Enamel Size Advanced Toothpaste. So this is what it looks. And again, perfect size for traveling. But I noticed that, as you can see, like, it's half empty, which I'm kind of bummed about, but I'm willing to give this a try, and it's, like I said, the perfect size for traveling, so I'm probably going to take this to Poland when I go. And the next thing that we have is this brush. Let me open that up. I have seen those around actually. So this is what the brush looks like. Oh, this would be great for like contouring, or contouring your nose, or even, you know, applying foundation, because as you know, recently, if I can find the brush, recently I've been applying my foundation with this and then blending it out with my beauty blender. So this same idea, it's even, you know, wider, so it's gonna cover more surface area. So if we go in and apply that, oh shit, I touched my face. Apply this and just buff it out with our beauty blender. You know, this could actually work. I am so intrigued and, you know, willing to give this a try. And the last thing that we have is the Hawaiian Tropic Duo Defense Sun Lotion. Now we got a foil packet here. I am assuming this is an extra sample because we have 5 items already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items already. Wow. And this is a 7th one, which is an extra little surprise. So this is SPF 30, and this is a lightweight moisturizing formula. It helps protect against damaging effects of sun and pollution. This is super tiny. I'm not sure if, I don't think I'm going to be taking this anywhere with me. But, you know, since we actually have a sun here in Ireland, I will give this a try here at home to see how it works. Okay, so let me see how I like this box. The toothpaste, yes, I love it. The conditioning shampoo, of course. The mascara, love trying out mascaras. The EYEKO liquid liner, I have 10 million of them, but I am going to give this a try when my other one runs out. The brush, I am super intrigued by it and would love to see how it actually works. The sea salt spray, no, not a fan of it. I know I'm not going to use it, so I might give it to someone that actually does their hair and, you know, likes stuff like that, because no, I'm not going to use it. And then the sample sachet, of course I'm going to use it. It's an SPF, so it's going to be useful. So this month's box is actually a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 7 box for me. Oh, I have an 8. It's always happen when I'm on camera, you know. So yeah, like I said, it's a 6 out of 7 box. Everything else, it's just going to be so handy, and like I said, I'm definitely going to try them. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you all for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Glossybox unboxings. So yeah, thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!